Hey there, this is Todd with Industrial Comfort. Today I want to show you the proper way for cutting a log like this, whether you're going to turn it green or keep it for storing to let it dry out. Now it's critically important that you remove the pith. When wood dries, the pith dries at a different rate than the heartwood and therefore is very prone to cracking. So it's always important that you split the log into two sections, which is effectively going to leave you with a slice of wood that's the same thickness as the diameter of the pith of the log that you're cutting. So I'm going to go ahead and mark approximately where the pith is, and then we're simply going to cut a straight line. Now for the purposes of this log, I want to make sure that I'm preserving as much of the integrity of this burl as I possibly can. On a normal log, you would just essentially want to cut it to maximize the space for bowl cutting or turning or whatever it is you're going to be using the log for. So let's go ahead and we'll mark it, and then we'll take it outside and cut it up and see what we find in this burl. Okay, so the bottom of the burl is about right here, and the top of the burl, well, is about up here. So we'll want to cut it about like that, and then we'll want to cut this pith out like that. Now, we're not going to throw this section away. We'll essentially then cut this into thirds. We'll throw the pith away. We'll dry these two sections for use later. I got the wood back inside from cutting, and as you can see, there are three different sections. There's the bottom section, there's the pith section, and then there's the top section which has the burl. I'm going to go ahead and probably discard this section because I don't think there's enough wood left to make it salvageable. And for the bottom section, I'm going to coat it on either end with some latex paint to slow the drying process to avoid any cracks or checks. For the top section, I'm going to cut it up into bowl blanks and use it right away. Hopefully you found this helpful in terms of understanding how to cut wood for either turning or storage. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.